Hey everyone, my name is Johnny Fitzgerald, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use cab IRs to make your guitar sound like this. If you'd like to follow along with me in this video, click the link in the description below to download our free cab IR pack. Changing out cab IRs is the biggest difference that you can make in your guitar tone without having to do any additional post-processing or EQ to your sound. So in this example, I have a soloed out guitar and I have an instance of Gojira pulled up. In most modern amp sims, in the cab section, there should be a drop-down menu that allows you to load in your custom IR. Now you click on that, it should just bring up your file explorer where you can locate where your IRs are. So for this example, let's play the guitar soloed out and then switch through the IRs and find one that sounds best for the tone that we're going for. So I'm going to stick with what I had before, which is the Arrogance is Bliss setting. I just like the way that that sounded the best. Now, what you could do, since this gives you the option in this plugin, is you could even load in another IR on this side and try to blend them in to create an even more unique tone. So let's go ahead and try that and see how that sounds. So I'll just click this, load custom IR, and we'll load the same folder in. Make this active, and let's see. I really like the way that this full spectrum preset sounds. It really brings something unique to the guitar tone. So I'm going to dial this back a little bit and blend it in. Now that sounds awesome. So let's go ahead and apply it to the rest of the guitar tones and hear it in the mix. Now that's just a basic example of how using cab IRs can dramatically change and improve your guitar tone. So I'd urge you guys to experiment this within the context of your music and find out what works best for you. We are super excited to announce that we have released our first cab IR pack, which you can find in the description below to purchase. This cab IR pack has 100 sounds ready to fit in the context of your mix. All the sounds are already pre-mixed, so all you have to do is load them in and scroll through them until you find the one that works best for you. So click the link in the description below and check it out. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer. Thanks for watching and happy songwriting.